Jog at your place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Speed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Speed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hit your hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. High knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jumping jack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Front. 2, 3, 4, 5. Cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go down and we'll jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Squats position, everyone. Down and then jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down. Touch your right shoulder, right leg. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Half circle right leg. 1, into out. 2, out to in. 3, 4, 5, 6. Change your leg, other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not a kick, it's a warm up thing, so आराम से कर सकते हैं. 6. Down. Stretch your arms, go up on your toes. Full on your toes. Hana, dul, set, net, dasa, yasa, ilga, yudur, a hop, yaw. Down. Slowly go down. Do not bend your knees. Hana, dul, set, net, dasa, yasa, ilga, yudur, a hop, yaw. Up. Sideways. Hana, dul, set, net, dasa, yasa, ilga, yudur, a hop, yaw. Change other side. Hana, dul, set, net, dasa, yasa, ilga, yudur, a hop, yaw. Up. Bend your right arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Change other arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down. Rotate your fist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. Hana, dul, set, net, dasa, yasa. Stretch This way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down. Wrist down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Change. So the other arm. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now take up. Bend your right arm. Stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Change other arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down. Neck rotation slowly. Okay? Slowly. 1, 2, 3. Reverse. 1, 2, 3. Sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. Front. Back. Front. Rotate your arms. Try to touch your elbows. Take it up. 1, 2. Full up. 3. Straight upward. Reverse. 1, 2, 3. Out to in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stretch your arms. 1, 2, set, net, dasa, yasa, ilga, yudu, aha, ya, ana, dud, set, net, dasa, yasa, ilga, yudu, aha, ya. Slowly down. Hip rotation, full. 1, 2, 3. Reverse. 1, 2, 3. Now take your right leg up. Hold your right wrist. Rotate your foot and your wrist. 2, 3. Reverse. 1, 2, 3. Change your leg. 1, 2, 3. Reverse. 1, 2, 3. Stretch down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. Now bend your left leg this way. Touch it to your hip. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down. Other leg. Take it up. Okay. Hold it from your toes. And then tip of your toe. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down. Now bend your left leg. Take it up. Touch it to your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly down. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly down. Bend your left leg this way, toes out. Balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now slowly sit down. Straight, look at a single point. Ana, dud, set, net, dasa, yasa, ilga, yudu, aha, ya. Slowly up. Change other leg. Ana, dud, set, net, the sir, yes sir. Slowly down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. Take your left leg up. Touch it to your groin. Okay, these are for your balance. Okay, take it up this way and then stretch upward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Join your palms up. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly down. First arms and then your leg. Other leg. Take it up. Touch it to your groin. This way. First stretch upward. Hana. Dud. Set. Net. Dasa. Yasa. Ilga. Yadud. Aha. Yo. Slow it down. Rotate your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wide open your legs. On the count on left side. Hana. Dul. Set. Net. Dasa. Yes sir. Left hand up. Right hand on your waist. Down. Right side. Slowly go down towards your ankle. So the aim is to touch your ankle. Up. Change other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Both arms stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now go down, cross your hands, look up. Okay, touch your ankle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stretch your arms in front, back, left, right, center. Down. Knee to nose. Keep your hands behind your head. Touch your knee with nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up. Bend your body backward. Okay, so go down this way and then go back. Stretch. Front down. Join your legs. Hold your knees and then rotate it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now make a stance. Take your right leg at the back. Bend your right knee and then go towards your left knee. Try to touch it. Now jump and change other side. Now go down this way. Try to touch your knee. Other side. Do not bend your knees. Go down. Stretch it. Change other side. Down. Everyone go down. Frog jump position. Okay, so move forward. Start. Hana. Dud. Set. Net. Dasa. Yasa. Ilga. Yodud. Ho. Here. Up and light jump. Light jump. Now go back. Duck walk. Okay, keep your palms on your knees and then walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up and light jump. Light jump. Go down, everyone. Monkey walk position. Take your right leg forward this way, stretch, and then go down, touch the ground and stretch it. Take it out and stretch. Okay, now other leg. Change your leg. Other leg. Now take it out, down, touch the ground. Now everyone go down. Camel walk position. Go down. Camel walk. Down and then move towards. Do not bend your knees. Keep your heels down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. Jump and go back. Done, then camel hop walk, okay? Go down, same way, and then hop without bending your knees. Keep your heels down. And 10. Up. Up, up, up. And light jump. Light jump. Go down. Crab walk position, everyone. Take your hip up in the line and then walk without taking your hip down. 3, 4, slowly. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold it. Down. Up. Keep your back straight. Rotate your, okay? Keep your back straight. Hands on your knees and rotate your feet. 1, 2, 3. Reverse. 1, 2, 3. Stretch out. 1, 2, 3. In. Full in. In. Now bend your left leg. This way. Bend it. Try to hold your heel without bending your knee. And down from your waist. Touch. When you go down, hold it for 2-3 seconds. Change your leg. Other leg. Down. Once done, now keep it down this way. Then opposite hand, hold it, your ankle, okay, opposite side, and then twist your body backward. Change. Once done, change your leg, other leg. Same, backward. Down. Now bend your left leg. Down. Left side. In the middle. Touch the ground with your nose and then hold your heel and then go down without bending your knees. Okay, now other leg. Bend your left leg, right leg. Down, right side. In the middle and front. Now bend your left leg backward. Bend your left leg backward. Down. Now open it sideways. In the middle. In front. Lie down everyone. Now bend your left leg, touch it to your chest, toes out. Change, other leg. Now bend your left leg and then take your right leg straight towards your nose. Okay? Hana. Dul. Set. Toes upward. Ne. Tasa. Yasa. Now hold and stretch towards your nose. Change. Other leg. Okay, straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold and stretch towards your nose. Now take your right leg up. Bend your left knee this way. And then hold your knee this way. Out and then touch it to your chest. Other leg. Down. Chali. We'll do sit-ups in this position. Are you ready? Sahana. Up. Dul. Up. Set. Mat. Dasa. Change your leg. Yasa. Ilga. Yudul. Aha. Your. Down. Okay, now we'll lie down. Take deep breath and we'll touch it backward, okay? So you go down. Take deep breath. Keep your legs straight. Deep breath. And then out. Hold it for 3-4 seconds and then down slowly. Now other leg. Take deep breath. Up. Down. Make sure that you do not bend your knees. Both legs done alternatively, then now together. Take deep breath. And up. Take it up. Hold it. Open it wide open, sideways. Front. Slowly down. Do not keep it down. Keep it straight. Okay, hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we'll go upward. Okay, we'll touch our toes. Start. Hana. Dun. Toes upward. Set. Neck. Dasa. Jasa. Ilga. Yadu. Aha. Ya. Now slowly cross it 10 times. Okay, we'll count 10 and then put it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly down. Okay, now join your legs, everyone. Take deep breath, join your legs, okay? Toes out, take your legs up. We'll count 10. Up. 1, 2, 3. Feel your stomach. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly down. Okay, gradually we have to take it up to 120 seconds, okay? 2 minutes. Now start sit-ups. Start 1. On every count, okay, try to go down, hold your heel this way without bending your knees, and then go down, touch your knee. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now keep your hands behind your head. Okay, start. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chili up. Okay. Down, go down this way. Sit like this. Take your hip up, everyone. Take your hip up. Stretch. Forward, front, down. Now sit back. Hold your heel and then touch your knee without. Do not take it up. Okay. Bend it. Keep it on the ground and then touch it. Okay. Now assume there is a vertical pole. Hold it, everyone, and then up. I've got pain, so I can't go up maybe, but I will try. Okay, so up. Other line, other side. Take your hip up, front down. Down, go down. Push-ups position. Push-ups position, everyone. Okay, so first we'll try on this way. One arm distance. Ready? Look in front. Start. 1. Look in front. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we're in the same position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now try. ठीक है? Everyone ready? We'll try it. एक कर सकते हो, अब एक ही करो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ठीक है? चलिए स्टार्ट. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fine. If you can't do it, hold it this way. Down. And we'll try knuckles now. This way, 2 knuckles. 2. ठीक है? Push the ground, it will push you back. चलिए, ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Up. Chलिए, go down. Stretch your back. This way. Stretch your back. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sit back. Stretch in front. Curl your fingers. Lie back. Take your legs out and then down. टच करेंगे ग्राउंड को. अप. अप. स्ट्रेच कर रहे हैं साइडवेज. जितना कर सकते हो आप उतना करेंगे. ठीक है? गो साइडवेज दिस वे. प्रेस. चेंज योर साइड. Your elbow should be on the ground. Sorry, on your knee. Now drop your back foot. Look at this. This I dropped it. Press it. Change. Other side. Now down this. Okay. Now take it out, both knees straight. Change. जो नहीं कर सकते आप जैसा स्ट्रेचिंग कर सकते हैं आप कीजिए, ठीक है? आपके कन्वीनियंस के हिसाब से जैसा कर सकते हो आप करो. अभी मुझे चोट लगी है, मैं नहीं कर पा रहा हूं, तो मैं एक साइड कर पा रहा हूं. नाउ ड्रॉप योर बैक फुट. Okay, down, hold your toe. Those who have done, down, left side, right, left, right. Now, keep your hand this way, palm, and then full front self stretch. Slowly take it out, and then जितना जा सकते हो आप नीचे, this way. So your nose should touch the ground. This portion should touch the ground. I've got cramp, that's why I can't do it. So please try it. Once you are done, then slowly join your legs. Do not bend it. Okay, take it this way. Roll your thighs. Roll your thighs. Now bend your, hold your right toe and take it up this way. Touch it to your nose. Straight. Other leg. Now this way. Take your left leg up this way on your right thigh and then go down. Touch the ground. Once done, then other leg. Down. Now both legs. Both legs and then go down. Now keep your palm beside your thighs and then try to lift your body up. Hold it. Okay? Push ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Butterfly. Down, left side. Right. Left. Right. Front. Hold your toes and slowly go down. टच करें ग्राउंड को. Now open the right leg. Down. Left side. Change. Other side. Down. Up. Okay, squats position. Go down. Squats. Keep your feet parallel to each other. And then straight down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Actually up.